Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've released one of these talking head videos, and I think I've gotten out of practice, so I'm getting ready to pull together part 2 of the wind tunnel video, and I thought maybe I would do a quick tip video just to get myself back into it. Also to test out the new studio we get going on, which also doubles as my workshop. A while ago, and when I say a while, I mean almost a year ago, I released a video on shock cord, installing shock cord on a wing, what the benefits are, how do we do it. If you didn't see that video, I'll go ahead and link it up here somewhere, and you guys can go ahead and take a look at that. But I figured, seeing as how a lot of us are in the middle of the gray season of February, when we're starting to return to the shop and starting to get our builds squared away for the upcoming flying season, I thought I would revisit the shock cord video with a quick tip. Now, like I said, I released that video almost a year ago, and I got some really good viewer feedback, and one of the comments that came back, and it came back in a message or something, was about somebody's method for installing it. And I thought it was a fantastic suggestion. But, you know, I got doing other things you ever forgot. I forgot. Completely forgot about it. So I figured I'd go ahead and cover it for you now. Now, not only did I forget about the tip, but I completely spaced on who made the suggestion. So if you're watching this and this was your method that you told me, please, by all means, reach out in the comments or reach out through Facebook or Messenger or whatever and let me know so that I can get your name in the description so you can get credit for this phenomenal idea. So what we're going to talk about is installing shock cord in the wing. Now, the last video talked about the benefits and the glue and all of that, so I'm not going to go into any of that. But what I do want to go into is a really good method for installing the string. Now, if you're installing the string in something that's like a block that you've got to cut, you've got a slit in, it's not that hard to do. But if you've got a thin airfoil, and this is a piece from a spec wing, so this is a symmetrical airfoil, and I've already got my slice across the front of the wing here. And if I just go ahead and put the string on here, I can get it in the hole, but as I'm pulling it along, I'm having to try and stuff it in, and the more I do, the more I distort that leading edge. Okay, so here's a method for doing that using this, a ballpoint pen. Annoying, isn't it? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your pen and you're going to take it apart. All right, don't need that. There goes the spring. Okay, so all we have left is the bottom part with the nose here and the little hole in the end, and this works best if you've got one where it's got a little bit longer nose and a pretty good taper. You don't want a fat bulbous end on it. What you're going to do is you're going to take your string and you're going to put it in through the back. It's like trying to push spaghetti here. There, till it comes out the nose. All right. What you're going to do is just hold the end of the string right on the edge of the wing, stick the nose of this right in that slot, and just drag it along the slot. As you drag it along, and there you go. That's it. All right. String's embedded, nice and tight. You would have already had your glue in there, and you're good to go. And that's it. So, I hope you found this useful and interesting. If you guys have got a better tip for it or whatever, go ahead and put it in the comments below. And happy building. See ya. the back. All right, let's try that again. There we go. In through the back. I swear this works. Come on. There, till it comes out the nose.